Let's see how physics will help you to clean up your fish tank. Take a tube like this and try to fill one end with water. Once you can see the water traveling from one end to another end, then close one end with your finger so that no air will go into that. Now the pressure will do the magic for you. Keep one side of the tube into the fish tank, and once you insert it into dropped into the water, then another end you can keep it in a bucket or something to catch the water like this. Now the water will flow without knowing. We are using physics here. The pressure, after some time, the fish tank will clear